In this video we're going to review the stock of PayPal, see if it's in a good position to hold, buy, sell. I'll give you my thoughts. This isn't financial advice, but just my own opinion and my thoughts. My name's Nate. I talk investing, personal finance, stock reviews, and of course our own portfolio review on eToro. Without further ado, let's jump onto investing.com and take a look at the stock of PayPal.
Here we are on PayPal's page on investing.com. I won't bore you with what PayPal does because many of us probably know that PayPal is a financial company originally started by Elon Musk and a partner. But so I won't bore you with what PayPal does. But it's a financial company that you can send money and all of that online with. Its current price, it sits at $55.89 US. In the most recent day, or the last day of trading, it had a bounce of 1.47%, and in the after hours, it is up another 0.39%. Its 52-week range is 55.02 to 90.93. That's so in the past 52 weeks, that's its range. It's currently sitting at 55.89, and so it actually, you can see there that it reached, because it went from, it's gone with the 81 cent increase, it's gone up from this 55.02, so it actually reached its some new lows for its 52-week range, and it's kind of around that support level, which is actually a positive thing. It may be around there a little bit before it has the potential to go up. So that's its 52-week range there. The average price is 87.87. And with that average price, the potential upside, if it went to 87.87, would be an increase of 56.6%. Its uncertainty is low. You know, this is a fairly stable company, so uncertainty is low. And the spread on this company is 63.21 to 109.80. So that's kind of the spread of where you could see the company going. So even on the low end, it's still actually up from where it is. We've already talked the 52 weeks. There's 33 analysts that have an average price prediction of 73.33. So 73.33, yeah. That's the average price prediction. Now this could there's some with this is the $51 to the $105. If it went to the 105, you're talking, that's where it's currently at, $55. You're talking almost 100% gain there if it went up to 105 on that. So that's some of the overviews. Let's take a look now at some of the signals that it's giving, and you'll see here the 3 green and the 1 red. 3 green, they're your bull signals. So PayPal currently has a perfect I'm getting my tongue tied. A perfect Stochastic score of 9, which that is a bull signal, because when it hits that score of 9, and if I can open this up so you can read a little bit about it if you like. If you want to pause the video here, you can pause the video, but essentially it's sitting at a perfect score of 9, and on this particular reading, that's showing that it's at the place where it could have a good chance for the potential upswing. Again, pause the video here if you want to take a look and read that. The next bull signal is the one that I actually look for when I do my research, is management aggressively buying back its own stock. And so management in the company is buying back PayPal stock, and so I look for that because that's people in the company. The management can see things and see into their plans and things like that, and so I do look for that particular one. Has a good shareholder yield. And then the one bear case is 12 analysts have revised their earnings downward for the upcoming year, or for the upcoming period, and so 12 analysts have downgraded their earnings, what they're expecting. Let's take a quick look at the chart. Now we can see PayPal's had a rough year. We'll start with the 1 month, and it's been rough for PayPal, down over 6% for 1 month. 3 months down over 17%. 1 year, so the past year, down 37%. 5 years we see down 77%, and we're going to see 5 years was when, you go back 5 years, and I can't believe it's been this long, but you go back 5 years and you're at when companies were having that height of COVID, and companies were doing, there were certain companies that got a boost from everything that went on during that time period. The 10-year mark, it's up 55%, but truthfully over 10 years that's actually a terrible return for a company, 55%. So should you add this to your portfolio? If you do, what should be your approach with it? Well, again, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to add it to your portfolio. I don't know your situation and your financial situation. For me and our family situation, I have added it to our portfolio on eToro as a short to moderate time horizon. So I'm not looking to hold it for 5 or 10 years. I'm looking to see it have a bounce, have it have a positive year after last year, maybe a positive 2 years, and hold it for a couple years. But when the returns come, and PayPal's a significant company, it's not just going to close its doors. So when it has that return, I will take profits, but I'm comfortable to hold it and ride the waves a little bit. And that's what you may, if you buy now, you may have to do that for a little bit. It's impossible to really get the exact bottom on a company and have nothing but upside momentum. And so, but when the momentum comes, I think it will come pretty strongly for PayPal. So full disclosure, PayPal is in our portfolio on eToro. If you want to start investing, eToro is a great place to do so. There's a link in the description. You can find it there and click on that link. Connect with me if you do start investing. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed or followed along yet, I would love for you to subscribe and connect with me on YouTube here. And if you have any questions or a stock that you'd like me to take a look at, leave it in the comments below and I'll take a look at it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you to everyone who does subscribe, who has connected with me on here. I hope you have a great day.